Hi everyone, this is Sudarshan from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 25th December, continuing our series to help you prepare for WAT and PI and get through IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news sections. Its link is in our description and first pinned comment. Please check it out. Today's top 5 news headlines are: De-investment fetched 4.2 lakh crore in 10 years. 2024 target to be missed. Key Supreme Court decision in 2023. FDI to raise 2024 as India remains preferred investment destination. No takers for rupee payment for oil imports. Bonvita reduces sugar content after viral influencer video. The first news is de-investment fetched 4.2 lakh crore in 10 years. 2024 target to be missed. Government is selling smaller stakes in PSUs on stock exchanges instead of outright de-investment. 10,049 crores of the budgeted 51,000 crores has been collected throughout this route. Privatization of BPCL, SCI and CONCOR on the back burner while strategic sales in SCI, NMDC Steel, BEML, IDBI Bank are in the pipeline. Critics feel that this is because of the upcoming elections. Department of Investment and Public Assessment Management is managing 11 major transactions. Many are expected to spill over the financial year 2024 to 2025. The next news is about key Supreme Court decision in 2023. Supreme Court disposed of a record of 52,191 cases this year. Supreme Court supported government's abrogation of Article 370 demonetization. Supreme Court upheld that Delhi government had legislative and executive control over services in the capital except for public order, police and land. Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner to be appointed by the President on advice of PM, Leader of the Opposition in the Lok Sabha and Chief Justice of India. The next use is FDI to rise in 2024 as the India remains preferred investment destination. FDI inflows likely to gain momentum in 2024 with healthy macroeconomic numbers, better industrial output and PLI schemes. Department of Promotion of Industry and International Trade working to ensure an investor-friendly environment. FDI declined by 22% to $48.98 billion in January-September, $62.66 billion in the same period last year due to global slowdown, war-related crunch, protectionist measures, but is increasing now. India is still the preferred investment destination, UNCTAD. The next news is no takers for rupee payment for oil imports. Indian government is pushing for oil purchases with payment in rupees in a bid to internationalize the rupee. No takers have been found among crude sellers as yet because of high transaction costs, exchange rate fluctuations. RBI has permitted withdraw accounts for oil payments in rupees. Potential is high, with India being the world's third largest energy consumer, importing 85% of our crude oil needs. The last news is about Bonvita reduces sugar content after viral influencer video. Cadbury Bonvita has slashed its sugar content by 14.4%, 8 months after the government notice following social media criticism led by influencer Revant Himatsingka. Himansingka food farmer accused the brand of deceptive marketing on Instagram but had to take down the video after Bonvita rejected his claims as unscientific and sent him a legal notice. Bonvita claimed that 7.5 grams of sugar is less than the RDI for children. However, Himansingka claims that reduction of sugar now as a victory. These are the 5 news for today. If you like this video and found this useful, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more useful videos which will be helpful for your preparation. Thank you and all the best.